Steelmen Machinery Private Limited Coimbatore introduces one and only less water descaler machine for various sections. Before rolling, if you remove the scales from the steel billet, you get better finish for the end product, and also the roll life increases by 30%. The number of nozzle will depend upon the cross-section area of the section to be rolled. Each nozzle is fixed with 10 horsepower motor along with 16 lpm pump at 250 bars pressure. The billet speed will be set as per the requirement, that is 1.5 to 2 meter per second. Thank you.